Good morning students. Today we will study lecture 6 Organic Chemistry Unit 1. What are aryl halides? Aryl halides are those compounds in which halogen is directly attached to carbon of benzene ring. That means benzene ring is there and halogen is attached here. Benzene ring is there and halogen is attached. So such compounds are known as aryl halides. Halogen, you know what are halogens? Chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are halogens. So if halogens are directly attached to benzene ring, then they are known as aryl halides. If halogen is attached to a carbon, number of alkyl groups where benzene ring is directly attached is known as alkyl aryl halide. So if to the alkyl group one of the H is substituted by halogen, such compounds are known as aryl alkyl halide. Means aryl is there, alkyl is the group is there, and halide. So they are known as aryl alkyl halide. Next, aryl halides are known as haloarenes according to IUPAC system. So if aryl halides are known as haloarenes, for example, chlorobenzenes. So halo means chloro, arenes means benzene. So these are haloarenes according to IUPAC system. If more halogen groups are attached, their position on the ring are indicated by a number ortho, meta, and para prefixes. So if it is 1-2 position, then it is known as ortho. If it is 1-4, it is known as meta, and if it is 1-3, it is known as meta, and if it is 1-4, it is known as para. Once more, if it is 1-2, it is known as ortho. If it is 1-3, it is known as meta, and if it is 1-4, it is known as para. Ortho is there 1-2 or ortho 1-3 or meta 1-4 or para positions. We are naming it like that. Reaction of chlorobenzene, preparation of chlorobenzene and bromobenzenes. So preparation, first method is by Sandmeyer reaction. We are preparing chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. So in Sandmeyer reaction, aryl halides can be prepared by decomposition of aryl diazonium salt. So first of all, how will you prepare aryl diazonium salt? Sodium nitrate and HCl in a low temperature we are getting nitrous acid NaCl. This again, when aniline reacts with this nitrous acid, you are getting benzene diazonium chloride. On benzene ring N111N, that is azo group, and this chlorine, benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with CuCl will give you chlorobenzene and nitrogen. Just like that, here benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with copper bromide, you are getting bromobenzene. So by Sandmeyer reaction, we can prepare aryl halides, that is chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. Then from next preparation is from phenol. When phenols are treated with PCl3, PCl5, chlorobenzene is obtained. When phenols are treated with PBr3, bromobenzene is obtained. So phenol, this is phenol. On benzene ring OH group is phenol. When treated with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, you are getting chlorobenzene, phosphorus oxychloride, and HCl. Again, phenol when reaction with phosphorus trichloride, you are getting chlorobenzene, phosphorus oxychloride, and HCl. Just like that, when phenol when treated with phosphorus tribromide, you are getting bromobenzene, phosphorus oxybromide, and HBr. So from phenol also we can prepare this chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. So there are two methods of preparation of chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. One is by Sandmeyer reaction, another is from phenol. Next, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. So in our course we are having replacement by OH group. Aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction under ordinary conditions because 6 electrons on benzene form pi cloud on benzene ring and do not favor attachment of nucleophile on benzene ring. Nucleophile, you know that it is a negatively charged particle. Nucleophile is having negative charge, and on benzene it is electron cloud. Electron cloud means it is also negative charge. So this negative that is negative charge means that is pi cloud on benzene will not allow the nucleophile to attack on the benzene ring. But under drastic condition, halogen atom can be replaced by suitable nucleophile like OH. Example, chlorobenzene reacts with NaOH to give phenol at the temperature 300 degrees centigrade and 200 atmosphere pressure. So aromatic, this is example of aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, replacement by OH group. Here we are studying, in the next slide we will study its mechanism also. Then one more topic is there, that effect of nitro substituent on chlorobenzene. That means if nitro group is present on chlorobenzene, how is the reactivity taking place? When electron withdrawing group or deactivating group like nitro. So nitro group is deactivating group. It will deactivate the benzene ring, is present on ortho or para position of halogen atom. That is, from halogen it is para position or ortho position. Then replacement of halogen by nucleophilic reagent become possible under normal conditions. Example, P chloronitrobenzene on reaction with aqueous NaOH gives para-nitrophenol. That means if nitro substituent is present on chlorine, nucleophilic substitution can take place easily, because the nitro group is a deactivating group and it will deactivate benzene ring, and thus we can see that nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place under normal conditions, and not so drastic conditions should not be applied. Same reaction you are having the mechanism, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction in chlorobenzene. Example, para-chloronitrobenzene in basic medium gives para-nitrophenol. It is a two-step reaction. In step 1, this is the step 1, nucleophile attacks on that carbon having the leaving group halogen. So in nucleophile, this is nucleophile, it is attacking on the carbon having the chlorine. So here it is attack. Nucleophile attack forms a resonance stabilized carbanion. So this nucleophile is attacking, and so this resonance stabilized carbanion is formed here. Carbanion means it is negatively charged. So carbon is negatively charged. So that is carbanion. So here when the nucleophile is attacking on the carbon atom, see you are seeing here carbanion is formed, and this is resonance stabilized, and the arrow is moving here, and then here again carbanion is formed, again the arrow is moving here, and here again carbanion is formed. That means the carbanion formed after the nucleophile attacks OH, that species is resonance stabilized carbanion. In step 2, leaving group halogen departs and pair of electron come back to benzene ring, and aromaticity of benzene ring is established. See, here you are seeing this, the arrow, this chlorine is getting departing, means chlorine is being removed, and again these two electrons are coming here, and so here again this is double bond is formed, and so we are getting para-nitrophenol is formed plus Cl minus. So in this way we can say that the if nitro group is present, then we can form para-nitrophenol. OH, this chlorine get removed and OH is attached there, and we are getting para-nitrophenol. Thank you.